Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to call someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to call someone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and after that go to the chat box of the person whom you want to call. So if the person is not on this list, you can see there is the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that open the chat box of the person whom you want to call on WhatsApp. And after opening the chat box of the person whom you want to call on WhatsApp, you can see at the top right corner of the screen, guys, there is the phone icon and the video call icon or the video icon. If you want to audio call your friend, you can just tap on the phone button available over here like this and tap on call, and you will start on audio. If you want to call on video, you can see there is the video call icon at the top right. Tap on that video call icon and again tap on call. Then you will start a call on WhatsApp, and this is how you will be able to call on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.